Hi, this is Rajeshwari, Assistant Professor of English. Let's start the session with a short story, After 20 Years, written by O. Henry. Let's see about the author. O. Henry was a most popular American short story writer. His real name is William Sidney Porter. O. Henry is the pen name of William Sidney Porter, and he is popularly known by his pen name O. Henry. His short stories are known for the twist in tale or the surprise endings. He used to write about the life of ordinary people in New York City. As he was an American, he wrote about the life of ordinary people in New York City. Let's look into the story. The story, After 20 Years, tells about the friendship and promise between two friends named Bob and Jimmy Wells. They were raised in New York. More than friends, they were just like two brothers. When they grown up, they decided to make fortune or wealth. So, Bob moved to the West, but Jimmy Wells stayed in New York itself. Jimmy thought that New York would be a better place for him to make money or fortune. But Bob chose the West to make fortune. They had their dinner at Big Joe Brady's restaurant before they depart each other, before they leave. And they made a promise to each other that they would meet exactly after 20 years at the same place and at the same time. Bob was 18 years old and Jimmy was 20 years old then. So that was exactly 10 o'clock at night when they said goodbye to each other. When Bob went to the West, he involved in illegal activities to make fortune or to earn money. But Jimmy Wells became a policeman of New York. They have communicated or they have contacted each other for the first 2 years. But later, they became busy with their own life to make fortune or wealth. So, based on the promise they made each other 20 years ago, Bob came to New York and waiting at the same place where Big Joe Brady's restaurant was. Bob traveled 1,000 miles to complete his promise and meeting his best friend Jimmy Wells. That Big Joe Brady's restaurant is not there. Now, instead of that restaurant, there is another hardware shop. And Bob was waiting there and expecting Jimmy's arrival to complete the promise. While he was standing at the entrance of the hardware store with an unlighted cigar in his mouth, there came a policeman with an impressive look. He might be on his night duty. It was nearly 10 o'clock at night. That policeman was just like a guardian of the peace. Most of the doors had been closed at the street. There were a few cigar stores. Cigar store means the shop sells tobacco products. So there were a few cigar stores at the street and night restaurants. Now the policeman slowed his walk and came near the man who was standing at the entrance of the hardware store. Bob spoke up quickly and explained to him that he was waiting for his friend based on their appointment made 20 years ago. Then Bob explained about Jimmy Wells and their friendship and promised everything. Bob's scarf pin was a large diamond, and the lid of his watch was set with small diamonds. These were noticed by that policeman. So it's clear that Bob has earned well in the West and he made his fortune. Then the policeman moved away after wishing the arrival of Bob's friend. Then, after 20 minutes, there came a tall man in a long overcoat, and he went directly to the waiting man, that is, Bob. Then both of them met and asked each other's name to make it confirm whether it was the person whom they were waiting for, whether it was Bob and Jimmy Wells. So they asked each other's name. Then they were extremely happy to meet each other and they decided to go for a walk along the street and sharing their life of the past 20 years. While Bob explains his history of his career, the tall man was just listening with interest. At the corner of the street, there was a drugstore or a pharmacy, and that pharmacy or the drugstore was shining with electric lights. When they came up to the lights, they turned at the same time and looked at each other's face. Now, the man from the west, that is Bob, suddenly he stopped and identified him that it was not his best friend Jimmy Wells. That was actually a policeman who came to arrest Bob because he was a criminal whom the Chicago police wanted to capture. Then this tall man gave a note or a message to Bob. That note or the message was from Jimmy Wells, his friend. Jimmy Wells was the policeman whom Bob met at first near the hardware shop. So Jimmy had also come to the same place at the same time to fulfill the promise they made 20 years ago. But when Jimmy saw his friend, he understood that his friend was the person whom Chicago police wanted to arrest. So he couldn't reveal anything to Bob at that time, and he sent another person to fulfill his duty as a policeman. So here, Jimmy has fulfilled his promise as a friend as well as his duty as a policeman. So here, O. Henry has beautifully wound up the story with a twist or a surprise, especially through the character Jimmy Wells. Jimmy fulfilled his promise as a true friend and he completed his duty also as a real guardian of the peace or the policeman. Hope you all understood. Thanks for listening.